Do you know many English words, but you stop and stay silent when someone asks, "How was your day?" You feel stuck. You feel frustrated. You want to speak, but the words don't come out.
It's a terrible feeling, John. Most people think they need big words to talk about their life. They think they need complex grammar, but that is the mistake.
Exactly. Today, on the Talk English podcast, we are giving you the Daily Life Blueprint. By the end of this episode, you will have the exact sentences to talk about your day for 5 minutes without stopping. If you leave now, you'll keep saying, "I don't know," or "It was okay." Stay with us because at the end, we will show you the magic linkers that make you sound like a pro using only simple words. Okay, Ellen, let's start at the very beginning. The morning.
The morning, the most difficult part of the day for me.
Me too. Let's look at two important phrases, wake up and get up. Ellen, do you know the difference?
Oh, that is a good question for our beginners. I wake up at 7 a.m. That means I open my eyes, I am still in bed, but I don't get up until 7:15.
I see. So wake up is just opening your eyes, but get up means your body leaves the bed. You stand on your feet.
Yes, in those 15 minutes, I am not really awake. I wake up, I look at my phone, I check the weather, and then I finally get up.
I am different. I wake up and I get up immediately, because if I stay in bed, I will go back to sleep, and then I will be late.
That is true. And what is the first thing you hear? The alarm clock.
Oh, the alarm clock. I hate that sound. It is so loud. It goes beep, beep, beep. Sometimes I want to throw my phone across the room.
I understand. I use a very soft alarm. It sounds like birds singing. It is a gentle wake-up call. We call this whole process the routine. Listeners, routine is a very important word. A routine is a list of things you do every day in the same way.
My routine is simple. I get up, I go to the kitchen, and I make coffee. I am a coffee person. Are you a coffee person, Ellen?
I am. I need coffee to feel like a human. Without coffee, I am a zombie. I can't think, I can't speak.
A zombie. That's a funny way to describe it. So, I drink coffee is a simple sentence, but if you want to be better, you can say, I make a hot cup of coffee to start my day. It sounds more descriptive.
And after coffee, what is next in your routine?
I take a shower. Some people say, I have a shower. Both are correct. Then I get dressed.
Get dressed. That means putting on your clothes. Do you choose your clothes in the morning or the night before?
I usually choose them in the morning. I am not very organized. What about you?
Oh, I am very organized. I choose my clothes at night. It saves time. Then I eat breakfast, usually cereal or toast.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, they say. I usually eat a banana because I am in a hurry. Now, before we continue to the next part of the day, we have to say hello properly. Welcome back to the Talk English podcast. I am your host, John.
And I am Ellen. It is so good to be here with you all.
We have a small request for our growing community. If you are learning something right now, if these words are helpful, please click the like button. It tells the algorithm that this video is useful. And if you want to join our family, subscribe to Talk English Podcast. We make these episodes just for you.
Yes, and please share this with a friend. Maybe you have a friend who is also practicing English. You can listen together.
Okay, back to the day. The sun is up, we finished breakfast, now it is time for the commute. Ellen, commute is a big word for beginners. What does it mean exactly?
Commute is a noun and a verb. It is the journey you make every day from your home to your work or your school. It is not a vacation. It is a regular trip.
How is your commute, Ellen? Is it long?
It is okay. I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes. I like the bus because I can read a book or listen to music, but sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
Ah, traffic. That is the enemy. It means too many cars, too many buses, and everything is moving very, very slowly.
Yes, when there is traffic, I feel nervous. I want to be on time. On time means I arrive exactly when I should, not 1 minute late. That's a great phrase for our listeners. I like to be on time, or I am never late. For me, I don't take the bus. I drive my car, but the rush hour is terrible in this city. Rush hour? That sounds like everyone is running.
Exactly. Rush hour is the time of day when the streets are the most crowded, usually between 7 and 9 in the morning and 4 to 6 in the evening. Everyone is rushing to get home or to work.
I see. So it's a busy time.
Very busy. Now let's talk about being at the office or at school. This is where the hard work happens.
When I arrive at my desk, the first thing I do is turn on my computer. Then I check my emails. This is my first task of the day.
Task. Let's explain that. A task is a specific job or a small part of your work. For example, answering a phone call is a task.
Right. My day is full of tasks. I have meetings, I write reports, and I talk to my boss. It can be very stressful sometimes.
Stressful. That means it makes you feel worried or tired in your mind. How do you manage the stress?
I take a break. A break is a short time when you stop working to rest. I have a lunch break at 1 p.m.
Do you eat alone or with your colleagues?
Colleagues. That's a good word for our students. My colleagues are the people I work with. We are a team. I usually eat with them in the cafeteria.
What do you talk about? Do you talk about work?
No, we have a rule. No work talk during lunch. We talk about our families, our hobbies, or a movie we watched. It helps us relax.
That is a great rule. Listeners, here is a question for you. Please go to the comments right now. What is the first thing you do when you arrive at your office or school? Do you make a cup of tea? Do you check your phone? Or do you start your first task immediately? Write a simple sentence. We promise to read them. The clock strikes 5. The workday is over. Now we go back home. For many people, this is the best part of the day. It is time to unwind.
I love that word, John. Unwind. It's like a ball of string that is very tight, and you start to make it loose. It means to let go of the stress.
How do you unwind, Ellen? Do you go to the gym?
No, I am too tired for the gym. When I get home, I change my clothes immediately. I take off my work clothes and I put on my comfy clothes.
Comfy. That is a very common word in English. It is short for comfortable, like soft pajamas or a big sweater.
Exactly. Then I have to face the housework.
Oh, housework. The work that never ends.
Yes. Housework includes things like doing the laundry, washing clothes, doing the dishes, or vacuuming the floor. It is not very unwinding, but a clean house makes me happy.
I agree. I usually listen to a podcast while I do the housework. It makes the time go faster. After that, I cook dinner.
Are you a good cook, John?
I am an okay cook. I make simple things: pasta, rice and beans, or a chicken salad. I try to eat healthy food.
That's good. I am often too tired to cook a big meal, so I make something quick, like an omelet. Then I sit on the sofa and watch a show.
What kind of shows do you like?
I like comedies. I want to laugh at the end of the day. It helps me forget about the rush hour and the busy tasks.
I understand. By 9 p.m., I usually feel exhausted.
Exhausted. Let's stop there. Listeners, exhausted is much stronger than tired. If you are tired, you need a rest. If you are exhausted, you need to sleep right now.
That's me every night. I am exhausted. But Ellen, we promised our listeners the magic linkers. We shouldn't keep them waiting.
You are right. This is the secret to sounding like a natural speaker.
Beginners often speak in short, broken sentences, like this: I wake up, I have coffee, I go to work, I eat lunch. It sounds like a machine. It has no flow.
We want flow. Flow means the sentences connect like a chain.
To get flow, use these 4 words: first, then, after that, finally.
Let's show them how it works. John, tell us about your evening using these words.
Okay, first I arrive home and change into comfy clothes. Then I cook a simple dinner. After that, I wash the dishes and do some housework. Finally, I sit on the sofa and relax before bed.
That sounds so much better. It sounds like a real story. It is easy for the listener to follow.
And it's easy for the speaker, too. You don't need difficult grammar. You just need those 4 words to act as glue for your sentences.
Glue for sentences. I like that.
We covered a lot today, Ellen. We talked about the morning routine, the busy commute, the tasks at work, and how to relax at home.
And we learned that you don't need to be a genius to speak English. You just need the right words and a bit of practice.
Exactly. Speaking about your daily life is the best way to start because you do it every day. You have 365 days a year to practice these sentences.
That's a lot of practice.
Before we finish, listeners, we have one final question for you. What is your favorite part of the day? Is it the quiet morning with your coffee? Is it the lunch break with your colleagues? Or is it the unwind time on your sofa? Tell us in the comments. We love learning about your lives.
And if you are still here, thank you. You are a serious student. Please subscribe to Talk English Podcast so you don't miss our next lesson.
Share this episode with one person, just one. It helps us help more people around the world.
You are doing a wonderful job. English is a journey, and we are happy to be with you.
Take care of yourselves. Have a great day or a great night wherever you are.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.